All right, now one of the most important things is that you are able to market your offer. Now you want to have a free offer on your site that where you basically give something away in exchange for an email address. That's how you build a list. And that's really important because it allows you to start tracking your metrics, to kind of see some results that people are to see some results when people are opting in. And it will help you know that your content's working and your content's reaching out to people. So the easiest thing to do is to create a PDF or a couple of PDFs, which is very simple to do. You can do that from Google Docs. You can make a document and then just export it as a PDF. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how this works and creating a landing page. So the first thing that you're going to do is there's a couple different parts to this. You need to have a capture page, and you need to integrate that with an autoresponder. So for autoresponders, I use Aweber, and I'm going to show you basically how to do this. So you'll have a different account. Click on create a list, okay, and you're going to set up your company name, your website URL, in which case this would be MarketerCast, but this would be your information and your sender email. I'm looking for the one that I wanted to use. I guess this is a new feature, so I'm not familiar with this, so we'll need to verify that, and that should be pretty simple to do. So here's what you want to call your list. So we're going to call it free PDF. We'll say this is about a great PDF of how to set up a blog. Let's call it PDF tutorial. Okay, so that's what we're going to be giving away. Now you're going to want to have a default confirm your subscription. You can edit this, but it's pretty basic and people are familiar with the process, so don't worry about that too much. You might want to just say something, make it a little bit more friendly. Something like that. And then you can, put your name there, make it a little bit more personal. Okay. And we will approve that message. Okay. So you're going to go to your list settings, and this is basically your list settings. We're going to do the verification later. I like doing this particularly for new email lists. So I'm going to put in my email address, and then I get notified. I'll get an email notification every time someone opts in. Hey, you got a new subscriber, that type of thing. So you can have an email signature here. There's the confirmation right there. Snippets. This is basically code. So if you want to put something in all your messages, you can do that. And this is just already connected to some of my social media, and that's account wide. So that's why you see that already set up. So I'm going to upload my logo, just so it looks nice. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click campaigns. So there's basically campaigns and broadcasts, and drafts are where you write the message. But campaigns are like a follow-up series. A follow-up series, it also is based on triggers. So, if someone clicks on a link, that can, initiate a step in a campaign. And then broadcasts are one-off, where it's like, hey, we've got a sale today, and here's the price, or I recommend this affiliate product, that type of thing. So you're going to click create a campaign, and the easiest thing to do is to use one of these templates that they've got. So it's going to opt in, and it's basically got this message for you, and then you can add different messages here. But you're going to click on the message, And I'm going to upload my logo again. And you can drag and drop these elements here. So, hey, thanks for subscribing to, get my free PDF on how to build a blog. And you can fill it out how you want it. There's a picture there, so you can put your picture in. I'd recommend that you do that. And I'm just going to show you how these other elements work. So if you want to put in like a video, you can put a video in here and put in a video URL, right? Or you could put, if you wanted to have it in the middle, you could take some of this here, and actually we're just going to put in a paragraph. Right, and then we can put in the video in the middle, and then we can move this part down below. Okay, and then you want to change the font, make it all the same font, right? So thanks for subscribing. This first name fix, that will automatically put in their first name, and we'll try to match it so it looks correct. And then we got that. There's a video here, and you can change the font. Let's say we want to put in Georgia 16, and we can have it, or select all, we can have it aligned to the side, and put your picture in. Now the message pre-header, this is what shows up like in Gmail where you can start to read the message. So this is just a little kind of teaser that has a limited number of characters, pretty close to, I would say, Twitter limit. I'm not sure exactly what the limit is, but you can maybe fit in a sentence, something like that. So something like that, and then you've got your email, right? And so you want to link here to where the download is. Okay, and then once you've got your messages on there, you can activate the campaign, and it will be live. Okay, and then you can add more messages here. Actually, if you want, you can add more messages. Okay. So that's your autoresponder, okay? So what we're gonna do is you can actually just, the most simple way to do it would be to add a page and type your content. Okay. So free download. Okay. Get my free download here. All right. And then opt in to get it for free. Okay. So with this, you can certainly do this. The sidebar, you can put no sidebar, and that would be a very simple way to make a page. Okay, so we're going to view what that page looks like, get my download for free, opt in to get it free. Okay, now in this case, what we need to do is we'd actually need to make a sign up form in Aweber so people have somewhere to opt in. Okay, and pretty much you're going to want to do something that's you can choose one of these options. So let's say you want to load template, and we're asking for name and email, and I'm going to save my form and go to the next step. Go to step 2, demo form, and then you can send them to a custom page, or confirmation text with our smart video. So let's preview what that looks like. So it basically said this is being blocked by my browser, but it'll basically show you, hey, here's how to activate your subscription, right? And if they've already subscribed, you can send them to a custom page on your website. So that could be, send them to your about page, let's say. These advanced options, you're going to not going to need to worry about that. So there you've got your form, and you can do a couple of options here. You can install your form. That's what I would do. You can use your form as a landing page. So you could send people right to here, okay? I wouldn't recommend that because it's just kind of not great. I'm going to show you how to easily put this on your site. So we'll do the JavaScript. We're going to Command C or Control C to copy everything, and we're going to edit this page. Okay. So in here, opt in to get it for free, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a block, but we're going to add a custom HTML block, okay? And we're going to paste in that code there and click update. Now when we view the page, that's basically what it would look like. Now, this probably isn't ideal because, it just doesn't look great. So I'm going to show you how to make a custom page in the next video here, but that's functional for now. If you're on a budget and you just want to get something functional, you can certainly do that. Okay, so if someone fills that out, they're going to join your list, and that's going to be great, and they will get their PDF delivered from your site, right? And I should show you how to do that. All right, so I'm in Google Docs, and I've just made this document. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. And this is a blogging report that we've actually created as a PDF. Okay, so basically I just typed it in, added an image, but it's, as you can see, it's for the most part text. Okay, very simple. And if you want to turn this into a PDF, you will just go here, download, and then PDF document. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to call it demo report, and I'll save it to the downloads. So you can see here, it's created a PDF, and this is a great way to create something so that you can give to your users. So you see here, 41 pages, and here's our PDF report, okay? Now we want to put this online, right? We want to put this on our website. So what we're going to do, because we need to add it here, is we need to first put it in the media area. So we're going to add this to the library, and because you can upload not only just images here, but also PDFs. Okay, and so I'm just going to click edit. So I get the actual link here. I'm going to copy that link. Okay, it's up here, but this is the link to the actual file URL. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and if you click on your library, you can always go and see it. It's right here, and you can get that link, the direct link, right here. Okay, so we're going to go back to our page, and we've got this is the opt-in page, and then we want to add the thank you page. Thanks. Okay, thanks for requesting the free report. Download it here. Any problems, please contact me. Okay, so I'm going to hyperlink this to the contact page. I'm just going to start typing contact, and boom, there it is. Okay, and then I'm going to hyperlink this to our URL here and press enter, and I'm going to hyperlink right to that report. So if someone clicks there, then they're going to be able to download it. Okay, so let's take a look at this link here and just test it out. So if someone lands on this page, they'll be able to download the PDF. Going back to Aweber here, this is the page you want to send them to. Here is the link to the download. Okay, and we're going to hyperlink this to the download page. Okay, because you want them to actually go to the page, not the actual PDF, because then you can, you know, add tracking and whatever on the page later on. And we're going to save that and save and exit, and that's all set up for you. So now we've got a fully functioning lead capture page. Wasn't that hard. And so if someone goes there, then they're going to be able to opt in and then get the download that you've created through Google Docs, and boom, you're really starting to make some progress here. So I'm going to end this video here. In the next video, I'm going to show you a better way to create the capture pages that's going to be, you know, a lot more visually appealing for people. Okay, so we'll see you in that next video.